755338 has just departed en route to Lowestoft. One 58863 has just departed out of platform 5, working the 1457 service to Liverpool Lime Street. There it goes. (74504) is now departing out of platform 1, working the 1500 service to London Liverpool Street. Off it goes. Right, in the distance, stabled at Crown Point Depot, are a couple of mothballed Class 379 Electrostar units. (74507) has just arrived into platform 1 from London Liverpool Street. One 58886 is arriving from Liverpool Lime Street. (755-326) has just departed from out of platform 3 en route to Stansted Airport via Ely and Cambridge. (755-325) is now arriving from the Wherry lines. (74506) is now departing out of platform 2, working the 1530 service to London Liverpool Street. Off it goes. Seven 55408, now arriving into platform 3. Seven 55405 has just departed out of platform 4 en route to Great Yarmouth via Acle. Seven 55416, now arriving into the station. Right, we've got a couple of Class 755 FLIRT units arriving to platform 2 from London Liverpool Street. On the front is 755413. And on the rear, in the middle, sorry, is 755333. On the rear is 755331. Or in total, a 10 coach train. Nice. Wow. Right. 755325 has departed out of platform 5. Working the 1545 service to Sheringham. Off it goes. One 58866 is heading back to Liverpool Lime Street. Off it goes. Right, 755416 working its next duty en route to Lowestoft. Seven 55417, now arriving into platform 5. Right, the same trio of Class 755 units in multiple are now performing a stop move. Off they go. Now on diesel power. 745106 is performing a stop move out of the sidings. At a steady pace. (74507) is now heading back to London as the 1600 departure. Right, we've got a Balfour BT tamper keeping a FLIRT company in the carriage sidings. That's a nice bonus. Right, the Class 755 FLIRT unit that was with the tamper machine is coming out of the sidings on a stock move. Here it comes. It's 755 335. Right, having set the points, 755 335 is continuing on its way. (158,889) is arriving from Liverpool Line Street. 745002 has arrived into platform 1 from London Liverpool Street. Seven 55408 has departed out of platform 3 en route to Cambridge. Right, having come back into service, 745106 heading out of platform 2, heading back to London Liverpool Street. Seven 55402 now arriving into platform 3. Seven 55417 is on its way again. This time it's heading to Great Yarmouth. Off it goes. Seven 45008 is arriving into platform 2 from London Liverpool Street.